been wondering where this goes. Do you see me?
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of tech pouches, exploring 5 of the top contenders known for their impeccable organization and design. But before we get started, here's a special offer just for you. Subscribe to our channel and watch this video to the end to claim your free copy of our ebook, Smart Travel. Packed with essential pre-travel checklists and tips, it's the ultimate companion for stress-free journeys. So hit that subscribe button now and let us know in the comments that you're ordering your copy of Smart Travel. Now, let's jump into the world of organization and efficiency with our roundup of the top 5 tech pouches on the market. From the sleek and stylish designs of the Peak Design Tech Pouch to the innovative features of the Mous Tech Pouch, we're exploring the best options to keep your gadgets and gear neatly organized whether you're traveling the globe or just heading to the office. So sit back, relax, and let's unpack these must-have accessories designed to streamline your digital life. Introducing the first contender in our lineup of top-tier tech pouches, the Peak Design Tech Pouch. Store your digital clutter with ease. Huge capacity for chargers, cables, cords, battery packs, memory cards, peripherals, pens, and more. 21 soft, elastic pockets keep gear separated. Clamshell opening gives instant visibility and access to everything. High-quality weatherproof protective construction. The only tech organizer that is climate neutral certified, 100% carbon neutral. Exterior fabric is weatherproof 200D nylon. Nylon and polyester PC and TPU coated fabrics, woven nylon webbing, EVA foam, Hypalon. Origami style internal pocket layouts for aesthetic and sleek organization. Cable organization with pass-through for charging devices. Various top and side soft lined, zippered stash pockets for items. Cable pass-through. Strap compatible. Pen slots. Dual hand straps. So here you have it. The Tech Pouch by Peak Design. Brilliantly organize anything, from chargers, batteries, cables, SD cards, to passports and pens. And protect it all in a weatherproof shell. Origami-inspired stretch pockets and a 270-degree zipper bag, keeping it all instantly accessible. Charging on the go, use the cable pass-through. Need a small day bag? Just connect any Peak Design cable strap. The Tech Pouch works perfectly with Peak Design travel bags, or any bag for that matter. Or even by itself. This is one of our top recommended tech pouches. The Peak Design Tech Pouch comes in 5 colors, black and bone, midnight and charcoal. And last but not least, the sage green. If you are interested in adding this to your travel and work accessories, check out the link below. Moving on to our second product today. Introducing the Mous Tech Pouch. Stay organized. Zippered pockets, mesh pockets, a loop for your Apple or analog pencil, and a magnetically optimized divider, so you can choose whether you need one large space, or 2 smaller ones. This pouch does it all, water resistant and durable. Your commute won't wait for the weather, so be ready to brave it, rain or shine. The pouch uses water-resistant and durable materials like carbonated nylon, PU coating, Cordura, Hypalon and AquaGuard YKK zippers, to protect your things from drips, splashes, storms and snags. Magnetic security. Magnetically functionality meets high-performance protection. The Tech Pouch includes a nifty magnetic clip, secure zippers, a secret air tag pocket and more. Rest assured your belongings are secure. Wear it your way. The Extreme Commuter Tech Pouch is incredibly versatile. Wear it as a bum bag or sling, store it in your backpack or slide in your favorite belt. The strap is adjustable and swappable. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about the Mous Tech Pouch, the perfect companion for your Mous 25 liters backpack. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click the link in the description below to grab yours today and enjoy 20% off as a subscriber to our channel. Stay organized, stay connected, and elevate your everyday carry with Mous. Okay. Let's now look at our third product on display today, the PGYTECH Tech Organizer Pouch.
I stand under. I've been wondering where this goes. Do you see me? I'll give, conceive. Do you want to feel alone?
Fit all your accessories in one smart organization.
Keep all accessories in order. Can easily store electronic accessories such as 10,000 mAh power bank, SD cards, data cables, flash drives, card reader, mouse, charger, wireless earbuds and camera battery. Ideal for men and women who want to keep all their accessories neatly organized.
YKK zipper ensures not just safety, but also durability. Hidden air tag pocket brings added peace of mind. Comfortable side handle for easy carrying. This tech bag uses high-quality splash-proof materials, shock-proof, dirt-resistant, and wear-resistant, and uses weather-resistant materials and a durable design.
The tech pouch also comes in a mini tech organizer design. The image shows the measurement differences. Large opening design. Origami style pockets and clamshell opening allow easy access. Zipper allows 180 degrees opening to take out whatever you need.
The PGYTECH Tech Pouch comes in 3 colors: Twilight Black, Smoky Gray, and Moss Green. So there you have it. The Tech Pouch by PGYTECH. A brilliantly organizer to say the least. This tech bag compares with the best. If you are interested in adding this to your travel and work accessories, check out the link below. Alright. We've covered some fantastic tech pouches already. We're curious to know, are any of these pouches part of your gear arsenal? Or perhaps you have a favorite tech pouch that's not on our list? Let us know in the comments below. Your input helps us tailor our content to what you want to see. Who knows? Your favorite tech pouch might just be featured in our next video review. Now, let's take a look at the tomtoc Tech Pouch. This one's a real gem. With its organic shape and minimalist profile, the pouch provides great flexibility for organizing your tech electronic accessories or daily cosmetics and toiletries. It can be carried alone, or easily slide inside a backpack, laptop case, or suitcase to keep your essentials in one place and in the right place. Premium quality. Specially made with wear-resistant and water-resistant recycled fabric and top-quality YKK zipper for secure and long-lasting usage. Innovative new recycled fabrics. Made of durable recycled fabric, that is 40% post-consumer material made from PET plastic bottles. Good capacity and organized. Perfect storage with 2 organized small pockets for charging brick, mouse, cables, dongles, SSD, HDD enclosure, power bank, hub, USB-C adapter, SD card, personal items and more. This tech pouch comes in 3 colors: black, navy blue, and gray. Next up, let's delve into our 5th pick, the Bellroy Tech Pouch. A tech kit designed to hold the essentials. The zip-out flat feature gives easy access to all your tech. Signature stretch mesh pockets and elastic cable organizers keeps things safe on the go. Magnetic slip pocket fits a power bank. A floating wall can stretch out to hold thicker, bulkier things. Recycled fabrications with contrast leather finishes. Fits all your tech accessories in one place. Zips out flat for easy access. The magnetic slip pocket fits a power bank. Stretch mesh pockets store bits and pieces. Floating wall with elastic cable organizer is a nice touch. All in all, this tech pouch is another gem. Okay. There you have it. The Bellroy Tech Pouch. A well-designed and quality product. One of our favorites. If you are interested in this tech bag, you'll find the link in the description below. The Bellroy Tech Kit Pouch comes in 7 lovely colors. Arcade Gray and Bronze. Navy and Ranger Green. Salt Brush and Slate. And White Ochre. Alright, that wraps up our overview of the top 5 tech pouches on the market today. We've explored a range of options, from the sleek and versatile Peak Design Tech Pouch to the innovative and functional Mous Tech Pouch, along with standout picks like the PGYTECH, Bellroy, and tomtoc offerings. Now, before we sign off, we want to remind you about an exciting opportunity. If you're enjoying our content and want to take your travel game to the next level, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive discounts and offers, including a 20% discount on the Mous Tech Pouch available only to our subscribers. But that's not all. As a special thank you for your support, we're also offering a free copy of our ebook, Smart Travel, the Ultimate Travel Companion. Packed with essential pre-travel checklists and tips, this ebook is your go-to resource for stress-free travel planning. Simply subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let us know in the comments that you want your free copy of Smart Travel. We'll send you the details on how to claim your ebook. So don't miss out on these fantastic offers. Subscribe, like, and comment to take advantage of these exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. We hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure you give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so that don't miss anything. We'll see you on our next video. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you stay safe.